Jai Swaminarayan friends, we have discussed about the chapter number 6 and I think second method also continue the explanation. Look your chapter in your textbook. Last one I think, yeah, page number 125. Page number 125, 40x plus 20y less than or equal to 120, I think last one. Right. Now example 9 is remaining. 10, 11 completed and 6.2 question number 9 and 10 also completed, right? Now we discuss the order wise. First we discuss the example number 9. Then after 6.2. Look your textbook. First question, example number 9, 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Right? 3x plus 2y is greater than 6. Now first we prepare the table. X, y. Compulsory we take the two value. First one time x0, one time y0. Because graph is compulsory always intersect the x-axis and y-axis. When intersect the x-axis, the y coordinate 0, and the graph intersect the y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. Right? Okay. Now put here x equal to 0. Put here x equal to 0. So y equal to, 2y equal to 6. So y equal to 3. Now put y equal to 0 here. So 3x equal to 6, x equal to 2. When we find the value of the equation, always we accept the equal to sign. Always we accept the equal to sign. Then when we draw the graph, then continue the greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, anyone. Now we draw the graph. Both the value positive, so we draw the only first quadrant. And here compulsory denote the origin. Compulsory. Now x equal to 2 here, 2 0, and y equal to 3, 0 3, 0 3. Now draw the line. Join this point. But here equal to sign is not given. So we draw the graph dotted. Right? Dotted graph. Now we decide which part of the graph, right side or left side, upper part or lower part. So first we check here this point. So it is compulsory. Put here 0 0. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then confirm. 0 0. 0 is not greater than 6. So that means this one is not included. Upper part of the graph is included. Again check right side the point 2 0. Then next point is 3 0. Put here x equal to 3, y equal to 0. 3 3s are 9, y 0. 9 is greater than 6. You can put here also value this one. 0 3, then next point 0 4. Put here 0 4. X 0, y 2, y 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 is greater than 6. That means our graph is this type of graph. Upper part of the graph. Is it clear? Look at your textbook. Okay? So example number 9. Now discuss the question number 1. 6.2. First question. X plus y less than 5. First we prepare the table. X 0, y 0. Put your x equal to 0, y 5, y equal to 0, x 5. Now again both of the value positive. So you can first draw the graph also, then write point, because we do not use the graph paper. This is all the graph, draw in your notebook, not a graph paper. Right? Okay. So here the point 0.5. Now which part of the graph? But here the less than sign only. So dotted dotted. First we draw the whole line. Then you can use eraser. Erase this one. Some portion of the line. Okay, now check your here origin. Now put here 0, 0. Less than 5. Satisfied. That is this portion. Clear? This is your graph. Very easy question. Now second question. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. First table. Put here x equal to 0. So y equal to 6. And put y equal to 0. 2x equal to 6. X equal to 3. Again both the value positive. Here the value is 0, 0. X 3, 0. And y 0, 6. Right? Now here the equal to sign is given. So we draw the dark line, not dotted dotted. Now check your point 0, 0 place. 0, 0, 0 is not greater than 6. That means lower part is not included here. Upper part of the line. Clear? Okay? So this is your graph. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Okay, third question. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Here again equal to. So first table. Put here x equal to 0. Put here x equal to 0. 4y equal to 12. Y equal to 3. The next value y 0. 3x equal to 12. X equal to 4. Now draw the graph. Again both the positive. Sorry. Here origin. Okay. First we draw the line. X coordinate is 4. So right here 4, 0. Y coordinate is 3. So right here 0, 3. Okay. Now which portion satisfy? Put here 0, 0. 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 12. Right. 0 is smaller than 12. So satisfy this portion. Right? You can draw this line here up to this one. Whenever they extend your line, all the lower parts points are in this graph included. Clear? Okay? So this is your third question. Now we discuss next question. Fourth question. Yeah, y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Now first we take y. 8 is greater than or equal to 2x minus y. Change your inequality. Right? Now prepare your table. X 0, y 0. Put your x equal to 0. Y equal to minus 8. First thing remember, whenever you solve the equation, we accept always equal to sign. By the standard 10. Our equation is 2x minus y equal to 8. 2x minus y equal to 8. then prepare the table. Whenever draw the graph, then you can see the sign less than, greater than, anyone. Okay? So 2x equal to 0 minus y equal to 8, so y equal to minus 8. Now put y equal to 0, 2x equal to 8, so x equal to 4. So here y is the negative. Y is the negative. Minus 8, so below the x-axis, and x is a positive. Here we draw the origin, right origin. Now this graph. Here 4, 0, and at this point 0 minus 8. Now check your portion. Which part of the graph included? Put here 0, 0. This equation. Put here 0, 0. Here equal to sign, so we draw the dark line. 0, 0. 0 is smaller than 8. Satisfy. So this portion. Okay. Is it clear? Easy sums. Now x minus y less than or equal to 2. So table. Put here x equal to 0, so y equal to minus 2, y equal to 0, x equal to 2. Again same graph. Here 2, 0 and 0 minus 2. Same question. Two 0 and 0 minus 2. Check the portion. 0, 0. 0 is less than, smaller than 2. Yeah. And the equal to sign is given, so we draw the dark line. Same question, both are. Okay. X minus y less than or equal to, right. Now 2x minus 3y greater than 6. Next question. Minus 3y greater than 6. X and y. Exactly same method in all the sums. All the sums are same method. Right? Put x equal to 0. So minus 3y equal to 6, y equal to minus 2. Put y equal to 0, 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. Again same. There are the origin. Okay? 3, 0 is here. And 0 minus 2 is here. Now check your portion. 0, 0. 0 is not greater than 6. So this one is not included. And here equal to sign is not given. So dotted line. And this portion is, draw the graph. Check your answer also. 3, 0, next point 4, 0. Put here 4, 0. X equal to 4. 2, 4 is 8. Y 0. 8 is greater than 6. Right? Otherwise, you can put here this value 0 minus 2, then next point 0 minus 3, 0. Put here y equal to minus 3, minus minus plus, 3 is a 9, 9 greater than 6. Okay? Which question? 6. Okay. Now discuss 7th question. Minus 3x plus 2y. X plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Again, minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Yeah, right. Okay, table. Put here x equal to 0. So 2y equal to minus 6. 2y equal to minus 6. So y equal to minus 3. Now put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Minus 3x equal to minus 6. Minus minus plus x equal to 2. Same one. The origin first 2, 0, 0 minus 3. Right? Now check your point, this one. Put here 0, 0, 0 is greater than minus 6. Yeah. And equal to sign is given. So dark line. Clear? This is your answer. Okay? Now 8 question, 9 and 10 already completed. Three y minus 5x less than 30. First table, put x0. Put here x equal to 0. 3y equal to 30, y equal to 10. Now put y0. So 5x equal to 30 minus 5x equal to 30, y equal to minus 6. Put here y equal to 0, so minus 5x equal to 30, so x equal to minus 6. Here the x coordinate is minus. So left side of the graph on the x axis, the point 0, 0. Now minus 6, 0 is here and 0, 10 is here. Draw the graph. Less than minus 6, 0. And here 0, 10. Right? Now check the portion. Put x is 0, y 0. Put 0, 0. 0 is smaller than 30, right side. Okay? This portion. Okay? Done it? So, exercise number 6.2 is completed. Right? Okay. Now exactly the same graph, but two equation is given. Here 6.2 exercise, we discuss only one equation and draw the only one line graph. Linear equation in two variable first, but only we draw the one line. This is your standard. You have studied only 9th and 10th. You have already studied in 9th and 10th. Right? Okay, we include the only line you can draw the dotted or dark, first one, and second one, any one part of the line, any one side of the line. Is it clear? Okay, now same question, but we give the two equation. First we explain the example. Look below the exercise 6.2. Example number 12, x plus y greater than or equal to 5. And second equation, x minus y less than or equal to 3. X plus y greater than or equal to 5 and x minus y less than or equal to 3. Yeah. First we solve this equation, both the equation by standard 10 elimination method. Compulsory. Both the equation. X plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 3. Cancel. 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4. Now put x equal to 4, so y equal to 1. Now prepare the table. First equation, x plus y greater than or equal to 5. We take compulsory 3 value. 2 is compulsory, x0 and y0. Now third one is this one. Because 4, 1 is the intersection of these two equations. So we decide this two line graph whenever you draw the graph paper, otherwise in your notebook. So these two graphs are intersect the point 4, 1. So we write compulsory third value is 4, 1. Both equation. Now first we solve this one. X equal to 0, so y equal to 5, y equal to 0, x 5. Now we write the second equation. X minus y less than or equal to 3. Again. X 0, y 0, and we have 4, 1. Put here x equal to 0, so y equal to minus 3. And y equal to 0, x equal to 3. Clear? Here the both are positive. And here first one is positive and first one is negative. Right. Okay, now we draw the graph. The graph is very important. Look, this one is most important. Here the 0, 0. Now 5, 0 and 0, 5. Five 0 and 0, 5. Yeah. And we write a line equation x plus y greater than or equal to 5. Now decide upper part or lower part, whichever is possible. Put here 0, 0, 0, 0, not satisfied. That means this one is not included. Okay, this part. Clear? Okay. Now draw the second line. 3, 0. 3, 0 is here, and 0 minus 3 is here. So 3, 0, 0 minus 3, and this line equation is x minus y less than or equal to 3. Now you can decide. Here we can draw the line. Now right side or left side. Check your answer. Put here 0, 0, 0, 0. Satisfy? That means here the upper part. So we draw this one. Okay, and our intersection, this two lines are intersect at this point, and our intersection point we have already find it, 4, 1, right? So which common portion? This one. Look here, common portion. This is your common portion. Both color of chalk we draw here, right? You can draw only this part. Only this one, not necessarily this one. Here is the first sum, so we explain. But whenever discuss the two equation, only draw the common portion. Only draw the common portion. This one, not necessary. We draw this part. Okay, is it clear? So this is the graph of two equation. We solve this one and draw the graph. Okay. This type of question asked in your examination. So solve this sum, maximum time, revise. Okay, this is your example number 12, right? Okay, now we discuss 13 question. 13, example number 13. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40. And here x is greater than or equal to 2, y is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. X is greater than or equal to 2, y is greater than or. First we prepare this table. X 0, y 0. X equal to 0, 4y equal to 40, y equal to 10. And y equal to 0, 5x equal to 40, x equal to 8. Now, remember, here only one variable. Now put here x equal to 2. Put here x equal to 2 directly. 5 2s are 10. 40 minus 10, 30. 30 divided by 4. So 15 by 2. That means intersection of these two lines. This line is vertical line. X equal to 2, vertical line parallel to y axis. So these two lines are intersect at this point, 2 and 15 by 2. Okay, this line is your horizontal line. Parallel to x axis, y equal to 3. So now put this equation. Put this value y equal to 3 here. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 40 minus 12, 28. 5x equal to 28, x equal to 28 upon 5. Clear? Okay. Now look. X axis, y axis, intersection point, origin. 8 0 and 0. 8 0 is here and 0 10 is here. So first we draw this graph. You can draw first one, second one, last one also. Suppose given the explanation x greater than or equal to 2, right? Suppose, look here, 2 0. So x is greater than or equal to 2, right side of this portion, right side. Now left side is the cancel. Okay. Now y greater than or equal to 3. We write here x is greater than or equal to 2, y is greater than or equal to 3. Upper portion. greater than 3, because here the point 0, 3. So 0, 4 satisfies, 0, 0 is not satisfied, right? So this two line of the intersection portion is here L shape, and our intersection point is this one. X coordinate 2, Y coordinate is 3. When we draw this through line, our intersection portion is this portion, L shape. Now draw this one. Here 8, 0, and on the y-axis 0, 10. Write your line equation. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40. Okay, now check 0, 0, 0, 0. Satisfied. That means intersection of this one, lower part. Okay, but here our limit is here. This two line is the intersection of this one, L shape, and we draw this line. So common portion is only right angle triangle, this one, because our not this include this part, and not we drew this one. Okay, so intersection point is here 28 by 5 and 3, and on the y-axis x coordinate 2 and 15 by 2, right? Check your answer. Check your answer. Yes, very easy, right? Okay, now 14 question. 14 question. 8x plus 3y. Question number 14, yeah. 8x plus 3y less than or equal to 100. But second and third condition is what? We have already explained in second last lecture, I think. X and y greater than or equal to 0. That means only and only first quadrant. Your graph you can draw only and only first quadrant. Now prepare table. Put x equal to 0, 3y equal to 100. So y equal to 100 by 3. And put y equal to 0, 8x equal to 100. So 25 4 za and 4 2 za. Yeah, 25 by 2. Okay. Now draw. In the first quadrant. Right? Put here. Directly draw the graph. Because we take only first quadrant. Okay. 25 by 2, 0. And 0, 100 by 3. Now check put here 0, 0, 0, 0, satisfied. Okay. Only and only right angle triangle, this question. Is it clear? Check your graph in your textbook. Do you understood? Okay. Now again one more question. This one is last question. X 15 example, x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. Right? And 2x plus y. And we draw the graph first quadrant, x and y greater than or equal to 0, right? First we solve these two equations by elimination method. Okay? You can solve x or y, anyone. Suppose we solve the y coordinate, multiply by 2 here. So first x as it is, first equation. Second equation 4x is 2y. Cancel. 4 is the V guard. Again 16 is the V guard. Minus minus plus. Now put any one equation. Suppose we put first equation x equal to 8 by 3 plus 2y equal to 4. Now whole equation divisible by 2. So 4 by 3 plus y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 by 1, 4 1 by 1 as it is. Now 4 by 3 right side. 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 4 by 3. So y again also 8 by 3. Now prepare the table. First equation, x and y. X 0, y 0, and then x 8 by 3, y 8 by 3. And again second equation, x 0, y 0, x 8 by 3, y 8 by 3. Now put your x equal to 0, 2y equal to 8, y 4. Put y 0, x 8. Again x 0, y 8, and y 0, x 4. All are positive. Okay, so we draw the first quadrant. Origin, right? 8 0, first we draw this graph, and 0 4. Zero 4, 8 0, x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, that is 0 0 satisfy? 0 0, 0 is less than or equal to 8, yeah, satisfy. So only and only right angle triangle, because we graph over is first quadrant, not outside the first quadrant, right? First line, right angle triangle, our region, area. Now second, 4 0 here, 4 0 here, and 8 0 here. Zero 8 and 4 0. And equation is 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. And intersection point is here 8 by 3 and 8 by 3. Right? So we can here directly write your intersection point because we already find it. Now check our condition, 0 0. 0 is again satisfy the 8. Okay, so first line lower part and second line also lower part. So which portion is the common? This one is the common portion. Okay? Do you understood? So this is your graph. All the graphs we draw them in our notebook, but you can try use the pencil. You can use the pencil, right? Not use pen. Okay? In your final examination, in school examination also, always draw the graph in your notebook, but use the pencil. Clear? Okay. Now 6.3 we discuss the next lecture. Okay? So thank you very much.